At the heart of central Vietnam, nestled along the Perfume River, stands a place steeped in history and legend, the Imperial City of Huế. Once the capital of a unified Vietnam, Huế was the stage of the Nguyen dynasty's power, the last imperial family to rule the country. Built in the early 1800s, the city was inspired by China's Forbidden City, yet shaped by Vietnam's own soul. This vast complex was home to emperors, concubines, mandarins, and centuries of secrets. Behind its thick walls, power shifted, rituals unfolded, and the fate of a nation was forged. Every structure, courtyard, and gate speaks of harmony, blending Confucian philosophy, royal symbolism, and exquisite Vietnamese craftsmanship. Winding through the grounds, you'll come across fish ponds, blooming sunflowers, and quiet garden paths, once reserved for the emperor's peace and reflection. Today, it rises again, stone by stone, through one of the most ambitious restoration efforts in Southeast Asia. To walk these grounds is to feel echoes of the past, a blend of faded glory and quiet resilience. Huế is more than a monument. It is a living memory. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, reborn as a symbol of identity, pride, and hope. Welcome to Huế. Here, history is not read, it is felt.